The true secret to a successful stucco wall is consistency. At Joseph Holt Plastering, we pride ourselves on consistently using quality products with an emphasis on detail. Every 3-coat stucco job we do is 100% hand fur nailed, never stapled. We make sure that the lath material is well suspended in the first coat or the scratch coat to ensure maximum strength in the stucco wall. The second coat, or the brown coat, is carefully rotted and scraped to achieve a straight, flat wall for the stucco finish. We always wait the full cure time of 7 days or more to make sure that the wall has reached its near maximum strength before we apply the stucco finish. Water curing during this time frame is essential to make sure that the stucco wall doesn't dry too quickly. The scratch and brown coats consist of a mixture of sand and cement, and the curing process is the bonding of the cement molecules around the sand molecules. If you were to look at a cement molecule under a microscope, they tend to look like snowflakes. And when the water is added to the cement, those snowflakes will grow and attach to the nearest large object they can, in this case the sand molecule. Those snowflakes actually will continue to grow for 7 years, but the growth is greatest in the first 7 days, and that's when they'll do their greatest bonding to the sand. The better the bond, the better the stucco wall. We can do any stucco finish you like. Light lace, sand float, fine sand float, dash, cat face, and of course steel troweled smooth. Please visit our website, holtplastering.com, for examples of stucco finishes, references, recent job sites, and how to contact us.